Jen again, and today I want to show you a extremely easy and inexpensive meal that, yes, even you can do if you have never cooked before, I promise. Okay, I've told you before I keep it simple, so I'm going to show you with just basically 3 ingredients and a couple spices how you can make a meal that will last you your entire week or will definitely impress a handful of your friends. So I'm going to get right to it. I actually have this meal already done in my crock pot. So I'm going to show you the ingredients I use and how simple it is. So for under $11, I have a whole chicken. I have some baby carrots. Listen guys, the reason you buy the baby carrots is you don't want to cut anything, all right? I throw these into the crock pot. I don't have to worry about peeling, chopping, anything. Use the shortcuts when you can get them. Now I have russet potatoes here, but I would take even the extra step of just buying the baby potatoes. So again, no cutting is necessary. What you're gonna do is you're gonna throw the carrots into the crock pot, then throw your potatoes into the crock pot. You're gonna season them with just a little salt and pepper. If you wanna get extra fancy, you could use a little garlic powder, and just give them a toss. Then you're gonna take your chicken, which hopefully you will have rinsed, and you're going to rub salt and pepper and a little garlic powder on the chicken. Just season it for both the front and the back, and throw it on top of your carrots and your potatoes. Listen, you set it and forget it. Put it on low, and about 5 to 6 hours later, you have, again, a meal that will last you for days. Use the extra shredded chicken in chicken salad, or for wraps, or for sandwiches. Whatever you guys want, the sky's the limit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Believe me, it smells delicious, and I cannot wait to taste it.